Hey, welcome to part 2 of the toy unboxing with
Audrey
and Daddy Show.
So today we are gonna unbox Noms again, but they're in a Slurpee container. Ooh.
And in the last show, we had the Qualita and the Batista. I don't know.
And the toast.
And the toast.
So right now we're gonna open it.
And the tortilla.
Yes. And we're gonna open this.
Inside.
So we have more blind bags.
Blind bags.
And we don't need this guider because we already. Oh wait, actually we do need it because it's the Slurpee season one.
Ah.
Slurpee one. Wait.
Slurpee.
Okay.
Audrey, what do you look for when you open these? Like the cutest ones, or like
The hairiest one.
the hairiest ones? There you go.
The cutest ones. I want the cutest one.
The cutest, hairiest ones.
No, the just cutest one.
Ah, yes.
Okay, so what does this feel like? I don't know what this is, and I don't know what it feels like. I do. Well, I don't know.
Hopefully it's hairy. It's jumpy.
Oh, we got a swirl. Look at this. It's so cute.
Faith frosting. Bless you. Times 2. 3.
High score. So we have some plastic here.
See?
Daddy, that's enough. Little boy. Wow.
My goodness, yeah, that was dramatic.
About little boy. It's lipstick.
Oh, it's lip gloss. Do I eat it? What's it doing to me? Does it have glitter on it?
This is really cool, isn't it, Daddy? So we have surprise.
Hold it up, hold it, hold. Done.
We will do a shout out right now. Like Daddy's doing.
That one looks like a...
She loves to paint and she loves to order, and her birthday is January 12th, and her favorite color is rainbow.
Wait a minute. Favorite color is rainbow.
Yes.
Isn't that cheating? Rainbows have like so many colors. All right, and then
Anniversary.
the name, yeah.
Anniversary is
Good job.
12. Here.
Oh, not too close. There you go. And the name of your giraffe is Doc.
Doc.
Yeah, D-O-C. Doc.
Doc.
Which is
Maybe she could be my doctor.
what are these other names? Zabu, the dragon, Margot the dog, and Clyde. Clyde. And this here unicorn name is Clyde.
Yeah, Daddy.
And look at this caterpillar. It's Dylan.
Well, it's not lost yet. We have Lost Kitty.
Our last one here, Lost Kitty.
Lost.
Lost?
It says lost, not last.
Oh, but our last toy is
Oh, yeah.
Lost. Okay, not too close. No, back.
There's a guider. There's a guider also. See this? See? All these different kitties. Look at all these different
Wow.
kitties. Sometimes there's me. So, see all of these. Anyways. Okay, so we're gonna open up and there's gonna be a play box in there. I know it because I saw it on a video and we're doing a video.
Look at these kitties on here. They look tough. They look like street cats. Are you a street cat? Comment below. A street cat is a cat who's a tough cat. And no one will mess with you.
Okay, let's just open this, okay?
And they also wear these cool sunglasses. So in here...
It's clay and you have to dig the accessories in the kitty out and there's a blind bag.
Here, just dig while I hold it.
Nah.
Are you sure it's clay or is it kitty litter?
It's feel.
Kitty litter, there's lots of
Poo.
potty. Alright, pull it. Ugh. It even smells like kitty litter.
No, it doesn't, Daddy. Look for the accessories.
Oh, it tastes like kitty litter too.
No, it tastes like
Or you can turn these into earplugs. But kids don't stick these in your ears. Only adults. Like that.
I can stick it in. Okay,
Huh?
kids under 3.
What?
Kids under.
I can't hear you. Huh?
Kids under 3 years old do not. I would not recommend putting these Play-Doh in your ears
Yeah. Only daddy.
and.
And Audrey. Okay, are we still digging?
Yep.
Wow, there's a lot of dough of play.
Oh, there's 2. Oh, there's 2. I didn't know there's 2.
2 packages in there. This one's a cool one. We saved the best for last. Look how much Play-Doh is in here.
Oh.
There's
Oh,
like a
actually,
whole-
there's no accessories in. Oh, wait. There used to be accessories in the clay, but I think they make it now like there's like accessory in the play.
All right.
So these are the accessories because I know it's like really thin. This one is not because it's not.
Bags.
So let's open the kitty
Oh, look how much
first.
Play-Doh that you would get in these. That's a lot. That you could.
Daddy? Daddy!
Yeah.
Oh, it's a little kitty that doesn't like broccoli and vegetables. Look, Daddy.
What? It's carrying broccoli.
No, it doesn't like it.
It doesn't.
It doesn't like vegetables. Look.
Oh.
And here's its necklace right here.
Okay.
And whatever this is.
Let me show everyone.
See this?
The kitty who doesn't like broccoli is going.
Hey, are you eat broccoli? I have no idea what this
It says Lemon King. I don't know.
is. Lemon King. Yeah, that makes sense. Look.
See? Or Lost Kitties. Oh, that's a necklace, right? What does the necklace say on it?
1.
Number
First
1.
place.
First place.
And we also get a sticker of him.
That's cool. You got a sticker too.
Uh-huh.
So we got this kitty. Ah, broccoli kitty. Ollie. Broccoli. First name Brock, last name Ollie.
Broccoli.
And Broccoli has first place medal. So if you ever want to get first place in any of your sports,
You are just.
eat your broccoli.
That's like me. That's like me.
There you go. Little sticker. Woo!
Whoop, whoop.
And then you get Play-Doh with it. And I'm gonna put this on
No,
there.
no.
First place.
It's a tadpole.
It's a tadpole.
So that is the end of our video.
Woohoo!
We'll see you tomorrow and we'll get some more toys.
Well, that just depends if you can like and subscribe to our new channel. That will help us out in getting some more toys.
Toys.
And
And let us know what type of toys you want and just we'll get them for you.
yeah, or car parts, camera equipment. This is Daddy
And Audrey.
Show.